Hello, I'm Jeremy Sherr, and welcome to the Q Rep, the Repertory of Mental Qualities. This is a tool I've developed together with Raphael Noy, and it's been of wonderful use to us. We use it every day and in almost every case. It will really help you with your prescribing, help you to find different possibilities, newer remedies that don't exist in conventional repertories, and more exactitude and preciseness in prescribing. What I do suggest is that you start off by reading the introduction. You can see it right over here, and the introduction will help you to understand the philosophy behind this repertory, and when you have that, that will give you indications of how and when to use it. It's very simple to use. In fact, the whole design of the QREP is about simplicity, to make it more easy to choose rubrics and to combine rubrics. Now, here is the list of rubrics we have, and what you'll see is that there are far fewer rubrics than a conventional repertory, but they are all mental rubrics, and these rubrics cover themes or meta concepts of ideas from the mental and emotional sphere. So you can see, for instance, ambition, animals, big ego, and these are quite easy to understand, but we do have a definition for each rubric. So for instance, if you go to carers and helpers, you will immediately, on clicking on it, see a definition. In this case, this quality represents issues such as looking after others, nursing the sick, anxiety for others, excessive sympathy, and responsibility for others. So you can understand what the concept is about and what the remedies over here cover. Now, you see, if we look at this rubric, we will now see that there are 269 remedies, and this is, of course, much bigger and more comprehensive than the rubrics you would find with a similar meaning in the conventional repertories. So if you looked up in relation to this concept, sympathetic, ailments from nursing the sick, or other similar rubrics, they'll be much smaller. But this rubric is comprehensive, and that means it will include just about every possible remedy under that idea. And that's why it's so big. In a way, it's the Bonninghausen method: choose a larger rubric, but make sure that this rubric will contain all the possible remedies in it. Now, underneath that, you will see a carers and helpers primary remedies, and this means that these are the remedies that are really most important in this concept, and you'll only use this rubric if you think that the very center of the case, the whole essence and meaning of the case, is this idea, and it's so important that you only want the remedies that are extremely emphasized under this idea. So if we look at the remedies of caring for the sick, you see that, for instance, we have bamboo, which is a very caring remedy, or dama dama, which is a remedy that is that's the dia, is all about caring for other people. Or you'll be well familiar with phosphorus, but maybe less familiar with olea, olive, which very essence is about caring for other people. So you'd only use that in a case where you are sure that this is really the center of the case. Most of the time, you'll be using the larger concepts.